Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create an account on Amazon Relay. This platform is essential for carriers and freight brokers who want to access Amazon's shipping network and manage loads efficiently. Let's walk through the entire setup process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to relay.amazon.com/get-started. This is the official starting point for new Amazon Relay accounts. Once the page loads, you'll see the option to create a new account. Go ahead and click on Create New Account to begin the registration process. Now you'll be prompted to enter some basic personal information. Start by typing your first name and last name in the designated fields. These should match your official business documents to avoid any verification issues later. Next, enter your email address. Make sure you use an email you have regular access to, as Amazon will send important notifications and verification codes to this address throughout the setup process. After entering your email, it's time to create a secure password. Type your password in the first field, then re-enter the same password in the confirmation field to ensure there are no typos. Amazon requires strong passwords to protect your account, so make sure yours meets their security requirements. Once you've entered and confirmed your password, click Create Your Amazon Account. Within a few moments, Amazon will send a verification email to the address you provided. Open that email and locate the one-time password included in the message. Head back to your browser and type this one-time password into the verification field that appears on screen. This step confirms that you own the email address and helps secure your account from unauthorized access. After entering the verification code, click Create Your Amazon Account again to confirm the email verification. This finalizes the first stage of your account setup and moves you forward to the business information section. Now you'll need to provide your company details. Type your DOT number in the appropriate field. The DOT number is your Department of Transportation identification and is required for all carriers operating in the United States. Along with your DOT number, you'll be asked to fill in the rest of your company details as required in the application. This typically includes your business name, address, and contact information. Take your time here and ensure all information is accurate, as errors can delay your application approval. Once you've submitted your company details, you'll move on to complete the remaining onboarding steps. This includes additional one-time password verification for extra security, providing an equipment inventory that lists the vehicles you'll be using, and entering your payment information so Amazon can process payments for completed loads. Each of these steps is straightforward, but make sure you have all the necessary documentation and details ready before you start. Finally, review the application requirements carefully. Amazon Relay has specific criteria for carriers, so double-check that you meet all the qualifications and that your information is correct. Once you're confident everything is complete and accurate, submit the form. Amazon will review your application and you'll receive a notification once your account is approved. And that's it. You've successfully created your Amazon Relay account and submitted your application. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.